Are you filming?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're just busy here filming a horrible thumbnail with 2 fancy stilettos that will take multiple videos to pay off. But that's not actually the point of this video. I shouldn't have even talked about that because maybe I haven't posted the stiletto video yet. This video is just simply an update on the garage and what I've had going on here. So yeah, I'm in the middle of filming a bunch of little things. But I thought you guys might appreciate seeing the difference from what it looked like before. Let's get a clip of that. We've been jammed into a tiny little place. We've just moved. It's very exciting. And to what it's looking like now. Okay, still haven't fixed the motor. Anyways, I got my tools here and a shelf. These kind of shelves are the worst possible things for a guy like me. I need to build myself some nice shelves where every tool I own has its own little home, not this random thing where I just like throw everything every time I finish. Like, you guys know what a Friday van is? That's like when you load your truck or van at the end of the job on Friday and you just want to get home, and so everything's like piled on top of one another diagonally. That's like what this shelf is for me. This is my permanent Friday shelf. There's nothing too useful back here. Ladder. This has become my wife's what is it, Solarium Greenhouse? You got a bunch of plants you're trying to keep alive. It's their winter sanctuary, she says. That's what it is, winter sanctuary. Got the little exercise bike here I warm up on some days before exercising. This just, you know, this works for now. I cleared out all these old cabinets and I have just like wood and you know, random plugs still attached to pieces of countertop because I haven't had the electricians in yet. Okay, not much to see there. A window, a ladder, all my random bits of plywood that I haven't found a home for yet. Eventually they'll be turned into something. Real tools, you know, the kind I used to use when I worked for my dad and doing my apprenticeship. Big old bars and sledgehammers. I miss jobs that I need this stuff for. I mean, I wouldn't want to do them all day every day, but I miss that kind of stuff. We have a door. This is a door. And now we get to my pride and joy, the gym. I didn't have anywhere set up since about last September. We moved in here around December, and so I've finally been able to start working out regularly again. It's been long enough that I'm feeling and noticing the difference in my body again. It's been really nice. I filmed a video installing this thing. If anybody's interested to actually see the process of that, let me know in the comments and I'll try and post a quick video about the process. It wasn't quite as straightforward as you would think. That's why there's like a piece of wood and a whole bunch of stuff. So I'll make a video about that if you guys are interested. Let me know in the comments. But I went with the multi-grip so that I could do a bunch of different ones. I'm not like super duper strong on chin-ups, so I like to use an elastic to help me get like 10 plus reps. Don't have a cable machine, so, you know, elastics have to work for now for doing things like triceps, or you can also use it for like, oh, this one's too heavy, but you can use it for doing things like, you know, a inner chest workout. It's not as good as a pulley machine at the gym, but it's better than nothing. And then I have a bunch of little things that I need to make some pegs for. You know, a bunch of the rest of elastics, TRX thing that I hook up to there. We got a bench. I'm pretty happy with this bench. It's not like quite as amazing as the ones that you get in a high quality gym, but it's definitely good quality. Like, I'm happy with it, you know? The only thing is it can be a little bit, like sometimes it feels not as stable as I want, but it still cost me like 400 bucks. These things aren't cheap, and this is like a sort of, you know, knockoff one. I normally like to buy more name brand stuff, but you know, I just needed the bench right away instead of ordering some like bazillion-dollar one from Rogue or something. And we did the floor. It's just these like rubber mats that were available at Costco. It's pretty thin. I think it's only like 1/4 inch or so, but it does the job, you know? We have grip now and it's not quite as cold on the feet. So that's really nice. And got the dumbbell rack. This thing's pretty heavy duty. So I have enough on here to get the job done. So what I need to do is I need to get the electricians in, I need to get the pot lights done, I need to paint the ceiling. Once that's done, then I'm going to get an actual like full, you know, man, I'm tired. I don't know what I need, a coffee or something? What do you guys call that? You know, a barbell? A squat stand, thank you very much. I'm gonna get a nice squat stand in here and a barbell and like really get this place into like a much more high quality place to work out. Yeah, I'm getting tired. I don't know how my next video is even gonna go. And Bluetooth speaker so I can listen to music. Oh, I gotta get rid of these plugs because at some point we're gonna put a mirror here. We got all these plugs. You know, I don't need that many. Like this was obviously the side that the last person had their workshop on, and they had, you know, we got some 240 there so I can run some more powerful equipment, which is pretty cool. And that's it. That's the update on the garage. The only other thing that's happened is like, I cleared a ton of stuff out of this space. So I gotta get this all cleaned up. And it's a good place. Maybe I can put some of that plywood that's not gonna get destroyed. It actually stays really dry in here, which is good. But yeah, that's it. That's the full update on the garage, if you guys were wondering. And my wife's almost tripping over the pile of wood I've put behind her. But she didn't. There she is, holding the camera. Thanks for that. Anyways, you guys, I'm totally done. I hope you're doing well. It's just a quick little update on the garage. Hopefully it wasn't a total waste of your time. Yeah, that's some of the stuff that's going on. Oh yeah, I also built a quarter pipe in here with my son a while ago. I was thinking about making a little montage video, but I don't know. Sometimes it's almost not worth my time. They get like 5,000 views and nobody cares. And I had to sit there fussing about what song to use and how every clip should go together, and I don't know. Is it worth it? You want to see it? Again, I could put that together anytime for that whole 4,789 views it'll get. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm totally done. I'm rambling. If you're still watching at this point, I just want to say thank you because I know you're one of the true supporters of the channel. So, till the next video, hope you're doing well.